People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing, people. Big up in yourself, I truly appreciate it. You don't know the thing set already. So yo people, the video that you are seeing on the screen right now is this gentleman being padded down and searched by a member of the Jamaica constabulary force, people. Me not lie, people, me feel violated, and it's not even me being searched. The man foot already spread out wide open and the policeman kick it more and I search. I walk, yo people, me never see no search like this. Me never see a search like this from me born, people. Me not gonna lie. All fun and joke aside, me not gonna lie. Me never see no search like this. Leave in the comment section if you ever see a man get searched like that. The way the police I search up the man, people. Like the way, yo, man get search and search already, no, but this one just seem excessive and unnecessary, people. You see me? It look very unnecessary, very unprofessional, people. No look like him train. It look like he's a new youth that try prove something. That's how it look to me. Check out the video, people, and let me know what you think.
There's no need for you to behave like that, you know. He said he doesn't own a firearm.
That's a proper search. That's a proper search. And I am the police. You can always make a report if you think I did anything wrong.
That's fine. I can record as well.
Do your job, officer. Do your job.
Is there anything in the vehicle to declare?
Then after that, him say that's a proper search. Alright, you do your job. Then him went on to search the man car, which him not really have no search warrant or anything. Him just start search up the man car. Man say him not have no license, firearm or nothing. People, me not gonna lie, no, sometime in Jamaica, how Jamaican police operate is that some of them believe say every time them see somebody a drive a nice expensive car, them feel say youth probably a scam in some illegal activities. Them feel to believe more while that there is actually hard-working Jamaicans, you know, who spend day and night, sleepless nights, work towards them goal and them dreams to achieve what them achieve in life. You see me? They have honest working people out there, and sometimes I believe that Jamaican police profile certain people because of the vehicle that they are driving. You see me? Because some of them believe say Jamaicans if you have good stuff, or if you're a yardie or you're a Jamaican, you're supposed to reach a certain level in life. Like you can't exceed that level there. If me say I exceed that level there, I go profile you and tell you and make you know say, yo, me feel say you know some illegal activities, people. You see me, people? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah, people. And there was one comment where I got this video from. I got this video from the tropics. And people, there was one youth, I guess him know this gentleman that was being searched by the police. And the man said, Jano, my brother, can't believe them do this to you. That's all some police do. Profile people just because we young and drive BMW and Benz. When we reaping the fruits from hard years in lectures and sleepless nights. So you see me as the people like, a man say lectures and sleepless nights, you know, so you know, so the brother I got in university getting degrees, sleepless nights and thing, but I guess the police are do them job, but me personally I just think this is too excessive. He never did that for reach this, so if a man say him not have no firearm, no weapons span him, he never did that for reach this, so a man kick him foot like that, I'll grab up him and body and yo, how wild is that, man? A low business that, people. You're not supposed to grab up no man like that. Eh? And as a man, me I go feel a way if you just push my hand and hit a man body and search him. Yo, I'll be alone this police are going with, people. Me not gonna lie, man. Let me know in the comment section when you think about this, people. Me feel, as I said, me feel violated and not even me. Me know most people are gonna say where the first part of the video. Make we see the first part of the video because there's always two sides to a story. We never see the first part, so we don't know what happened. We only catch a part where he's already out of the vehicle, police are searching him. Most people are gonna say, you know, him probably wasn't cooperating and this is the end result. But if he wasn't cooperating, I think they would have put him in a handcuff and thing already still. But I don't know people, it just set away like I just think it was just unnecessary and uncalled for. You see me people? But let me know what you're thinking in the comment section, people. What's your opinion on this? Alright, big up on yourself and thank you for watching this quick video. Let me know anything about this, people. Alright, mad. Remember to hit the subscribe button as well, people. Appreciate the love and support.